friends! Welcome to our A to Z animal adventure. Let's learn our letters and meet cute animals together. Welcome back to the jungle, friends! I'm so excited to see you and all our animal friends today. Let's wave hello! A is for alligator. A says, ah, ah, alligator. B is for bear. B says, buh, bear. C is for cat. C says, coo. D is for dog. D says, duh, dog. E is for elephant. E says, elephant. F is for fox. F says, fox. G is for giraffe. G says, giraffe. H is for horse. H says, horse. I is for iguana. I says, iguana. J is for jaguar. J says, jaguar. K is for kangaroo. K says, coof, kangaroo. L is for lion. L says, lion. M is for monkey. M says, monkey. N is for newt. N says, newt. O is for octopus. O says, octopus. P is for panda. P says, panda. Q is for quokka. Q says, quokka. R is for rabbit. R says, rabbit. S is for sheep. S says, sheep. T is for tiger. T says, tiger. U is for unicorn. U says, unicorn. V is for velociraptor. V says, velociraptor. W is for wolf. W says, wolf. X is for X-ray fish. X says case. X-ray fish. Y is for yuck. Y says yuck. Z is for zebra. Z says zebra. Yay! Great job, friends! You learned all the A to Z animals with me. See you in our next fun adventure. Bye-bye! That was so much fun today! If you had fun adventuring with me, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye!